Hello guys, welcome to Fortinator Hub. My name is Victor Francis and I'm a software developer. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install Ozi Script. Ozi Script is a hybrid app development framework which allows you to build mobile and desktop application using the same web development tools you have been using, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. And also you can compile it to work on Android, iOS, Linux, Windows. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing you need to get started with Ozi Script is to have PHP installed. For me, I already have PHP installed, so you need to check if you have PHP installed by going through your terminal and pasting this code there. Okay, I already have PHP installed, and next is to check if I have Composer. And in case you don't have PHP installed, it's not hard to install as long as you're using Windows or Mac and any Linux distro. It's very easy. If you're using any of the Linux distro, just like I'm using here, you can just copy this and paste it on your terminal. It will install the latest version of PHP. And also, if you're using Mac, the same thing, copy it and paste it in your command line. It will install the latest version of PHP. On Windows, it is very simple. You can just go to this website here to download it and install it as an executable file, or you can just download XAMPP, which is also all-in-one tool for PHP development. It comes with PHP, MySQL, and the rest of the tools PHP needs, which we may not actually need them, so that's why we are not using XAMPP. Alright, so the next step is to check if you have Composer installed, and I'm going to check. Okay, I already have Composer installed, so in your case you may not have it installed, so you're going to copy this and paste it in your command line. It will install automatically. And if you're using Windows, just head on to this URL and download the exe file, install it, and you have Composer up and ready. And the next step is for us to copy this code and paste it into the terminal. So it will create a project for us. It will create an Ozi Script project for us. Alright, let's copy it. But first I need to cd into my work directory, which is my desktop. Alright, so now I'm in my working directory, so I'll paste it. And before you hit the enter, ensure you change the project name to your app name which you want to create. So I'm creating a to-do app, so I click on the to-do app and it has created the to-do app for us. So I like clearing my history, so I'll cd into the to-do app and our ls, which is to list everything that is inside the folder. Okay, so this is everything inside the Ozi Script folder, which I will go through in our next video. I will go through them and tell you what they are all for. But in this video, we're just going to stick to the installation and executing the application, which is launching it. Alright, so okay, you go to PHP. Now let's execute it just to launch it. PHP Ozi serve. Alright, so it comes with the default port 3000, which you can also put any port you want by following this instruction here. It says you can use the default or you can create a custom port, either 5000, 8000, and so. Alright, so we have it started. So congratulations, Ozi Script have been installed successfully. and we are ready to kickstart the development. All right, the last thing here is to bring our folder into our code editor. I'm using VS Code, so I don't know, but you should also use VS Code. It's lightweight and it comes with all the preferred plugins you use. All right, so I will have to go to the working directory and load it into command line and open this directory on VS Code. So if you have watched to this level and you have not hit the subscription button below, please hit the subscription button below so you'll be among the first to get our notifications. Alright, and also hit the like button. Okay, so this is the folder structure, and like I said, I will not be going through what all this does for a moment till on our next video. So thank you for watching, and in the next video I'll be going through this folder, and see you in my next video. Thank you and see you.
Yeah，9宫格上。